What's wrong? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What is it? You want to go out there? But it's raining. Baby, I let you play in it a little bit, but we can't stay outside all day in the rain. Baby. Honey. Honey. You want to go out there? Is this what you want? No, I'm not going to put you down. You can stick your hand out and feel the rain. Does that make you happy? Oh, 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 oh. Baby. All right, one more time. One more time. Is this what you wanted? You're walking? You wanted to be out here enough to walk? Well, look at you. What are you doing? You playing in the rain? Baby. We are going to have to change all your clothes when we get back inside. Are you getting too much water? Well, then back up, love. Take a step back. You're going to walk back out of the rain. All right. All right, all right, all right. Is this far enough? Honey, what are you doing? Baby. You're incorrigible. You want help? Oh, careful. Careful. Oh. You want my help? Oh. That plant's not very steady. There we go. All right. Baby.